Kalau contoh you jual you punya template, ada Canva Pro element and you bagi Canva templates ni dekat you punya customer, then customer you need Canva Pro untuk download the file yang dia beli. Actually, there's no right or wrong here. Maksudnya, you boleh jual with or without Canva Pro element. Sama ada you nak jual with Canva free or with Canva Pro. Kalau you jual with Canva Pro, you need to mention there is Canva Pro element. And kalau you jual in Canva free, then you boleh mention je lah Canva free elements. You need to be transparent in your mockup ataupun dalam description. Itu kalau you jual dalam bentuk Canva templates. Kalau you jual dalam bentuk PDF, which is contoh planner, ada Canva Pro punya elements and you dah save dia as PDF because you know like Canva free kan basic dia punya limitation. So you nak hias you punya planner, you need Canva Pro elements. Bila you save as PDF, customer you tak perlu nak upgrade to Canva Pro ke apa ke sebab you bagi dalam bentuk PDF which is the end format. Maksudnya it's not editable.